In this tutorial series, we will work on Raspberry Pi 3, which is actually the finest model of Raspberry Pi. So, without further ado, let's talk about Raspberry Pi 3 hardware specs. It comes with 4 USB 2.0 ports and 1 Ethernet port. Here, we don't have any USB 3.0 port. Talking about the audio video options, we have HDMI port and 1 audio output port. HDMI port supports 1080p HD resolution and audio output port is only output the audio, meaning you can only connect speakers to this audio port and hence you will not be able to connect any microphone to it. However, if you want to connect microphone to your Raspberry Pi, then you can make the use of USB microphone, which you can buy for just $4. Talking about the storage, then it does not have any onboard storage, but you can insert SD card in this SD card slot for storage. Talking about the RAM, then it comes with 1 GB RAM, which is enough for running the basic applications. Apart from all these things, it comes with the quad-core A53 ARM-based CPU, which can be clocked up to 1.2 GHz. We should not forget the fact that it comes with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and you can enable the monitor mode on this Wi-Fi chipset, meaning you don't have to buy separate USB Wi-Fi adapter. So just sit back and relax because there are so many interesting tutorials are about to come. And I also forget to say few words about these pins. These pins are known as GPIO headers, or you can also call them general purpose input-output pins, which you can use for making the IoT based projects. Finally, it is based on the ARM version 8 instruction set, whereas Raspberry Pi ZW is based on the ARM version 6 instruction set.